Hey guys, I'm going on a quick 2-day trip. I'm in my closet right now about to pack. So I wanted to show you guys some little tips and tricks that I use to fit all the stuff I need for a quick trip into my small bag. So let's do it. Here's what we got. I have 2 daytime outfits. So this one's a little jumpsuit. And then this is just a nice pair of light pants with a tank top. And then I have 2 nighttime outfits. So this also is a jumper with pants. And then I have a sweater in case it gets cold because there's air conditioning. And then these are some really nice, cool wide leg, silk pants that I have that I'm gonna wear with a t-shirt bodysuit. And now I have a sweater if I get cold. So 2 daytime, 2 nighttime. This is what I'm wearing on the plane. I like wearing pants on the plane that can go from daytime to nighttime. So I have backup pants while I'm away, just in case I need it. So this is what I'm wearing on the plane with this sweater. So I already have that all figured out, so I'm not rushing in the morning. And then if I need an emergency outfit while I'm gone, I have black pants with a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt. And whichever one I don't wear, I'll wear on the plane home. And then I just have an extra pair of backup pants. But everything I've chosen to wear all goes with 1 pair of shoes. I have 1 pair of shoes for my daytime. This same pair of white sneakers look great with my nighttime stuff. I'll wear them on the plane. It's perfect. So how I'm gonna fit all this stuff into my carry-on is with the help of Ziplocs. So the way that this form of packing works is that I have a little portable steamer that I'm gonna bring with me. And this thing makes it so I can stuff all of my clothes into Ziplocs, and then you take them out, fluff them out, steam them, and you are good to go. Get one of these wherever you guys get stuff like this. It's not that expensive. I don't remember, I've had this for years, but I remember it not being that expensive. And this thing is a game changer. I bring it with me whenever I travel so I can fit a bunch of stuff into small spaces. So awesome, you should get one. Next. Another thing is that I try to pack really light with my toiletry stuff. So this is the bulkiest thing with all my toiletries in it. And I really break down my makeup. I try to get very mini things of my favorite stuff. This is my powder. Specifically for quick trips like this where I can pack minimally. I don't pack a hair dryer or anything because I know the hotel will have it. So I just bring my straightening iron. I have my 2 brushes and that's it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I do one of these so I know exactly how I do it. And then everything else is done the exact same way. So here we go. So all of this in the Ziploc, you sit on it until all the air is out and then seal it while you're sitting on it. And then it's like a little vacuum seal. So this is all the daytime outfits. And now I'm gonna do this with all my other clothes and they become super small, vacuum sealed like that. Kind of a vacuum seal, but right on. We're gonna fit all of this into a small suitcase. So what I like to do is roll it up into a little roll like that. I'm filming one-handed here, so I can't show you, but I roll it into this like that. And then I stuff them all in and then I will smush them down. Okay, small carry-on. And we got all the clothes packed on one side with our steamer, and we still have some room to fit something else. Look at that. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I will see you guys soon.